In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print ClickUp task list or export views. First, head to ClickUp in your browser or desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, do that, then make sure you're looking at the part of your account that actually holds the tasks you want to share. Next, choose the workspace you want. Workspaces act like the top-level container for your teams and projects, so picking the right one ensures you're seeing the correct spaces, folders, and lists. Navigate to the exact view you want to export, list, board, or another supported view, and take a second to confirm that your filters, sorting, and grouping match what you want to show. The export will mirror what's on screen, so it's worth dialing that in now. Now click on Customize. You'll usually find this in the upper right of your view. Opening Customize won't change your data. It simply reveals tools relevant to the view you're in. From here, look for Export View and click it. This opens the export options for the current view. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may see options like CSV or PDF. CSV is ideal if you plan to analyze or reformat the data in a spreadsheet. PDF is better when you want something fixed, easy to share, and ready to print. Next, set it up. This is where you decide exactly what makes it into the file. Choose the format, then select which columns to include, such as task name, assignees, due dates, status, and priorities. Decide whether to include subtasks and whether to roll them up or display them individually. You can typically choose to keep your current filters, grouping, and sorting, which is handy if you've already curated the view. For a cleaner print, consider collapsing large groups and hiding fields you don't need. If you're exporting to PDF, check the orientation. Landscape often works better for wider tables and adjust scaling, so columns fit neatly on the page. When everything looks right, click Download. Your file will be generated and saved to your computer. Open it to confirm the content matches your expectations. If it's a PDF, you can print it directly from your viewer. If it's a CSV, open it in your preferred spreadsheet app. Adjust column widths or formatting if needed, and then print from there. Before sharing or filing, skim the document for any sensitive internal fields and remove them if necessary. That's it. Your ClickUp task list is now exported and ready to print or share exactly the way you intended.